So welcome one and all to a picturesque evening here, a clear night, all the ingredients for a showcase game that the passionate crowd demands. Really is quite a sight to behold this. It feels like a big game, it looks like a big game. Mind you, they all do at this ground. Things have got underway here, pretty decent hit! And that's what you call inspired goalkeeping.
Really anticipated that well, didn't he?
Sassuolo with the corner, there first. Pedri! Now, who's going to be first to this? Croatia have the chance to go the other way. No, that's been intercepted.
Well, Peter, here we have one of the greatest defenders of all time, Alessandro Costa Curta.
Yeah, in a sense, understated, isn't he? Certainly, some would say underrated. He's one of the less glamorous members of the Milanese elite from the 1990s.
Yeah, but ability-wise, I think he was on a par with the rest of them, and his tactical versatility means...
He's tried one! He's done very well to get to that.
Yeah, he was well placed to deal with that.
Oh, that's a key interception. Kimmich. Oh, there's a probing ball. And he's now the finish! Denied by an instinctive save.
Saviola really must be thinking what he has to do to score there.
Pirlo with the short one. Oh, now here's an interesting matchup. Lovely feet. Excellent challenge there, uncompromising. And now a sudden chance to counter. Now it's Mbappe. Well timed, excellent interception. And here's Del Piero. Anything noteworthy in the early part of the match, Jim?
Well, I think both teams probably feel it's too early for either to start taking real risks. So they're still very much in a phase of testing the waters and sizing each other up.
Now this could be a chance. Del Piero gets through on his own. Del Piero was ultimately thwarted there, but it took a few of them to stop him.
Well, he's not the type that's short on self-belief, so that could rub off on his teammates now.
And he's had it nicked away. Pedri. Sassuolo finding their passes. And that's really well manoeuvred.
It's the sort of situation that they'll want to capitalise on now.
Tchouaméni kept aware, and it is reclaimed easily. And that has been cut short. Oh, good read.
That was well played, well stopped.
Plenty of endeavour from either side, but not much of it in the vicinity of either goal.
Yeah, the tempo is strong and the game has flair and lots of potential for me.
Now it's Neymar, nicely spread. Now it's Neymar. Kimmich, and the counter is on. Now it's Saviola. Oh, no joy this time. Well, the run has been sold a little bit short there.
Croatia clearly should have gone for the easier pass. Now they'll have to quickly regroup.
Oh, well played, that has snuffed out the danger. Kimmich. Looking for options for movement. Messi. Neither of these two want to come off second best. And it's Bojan. It's run loose. Who's going to get there? Gavi. Del Piero. Onana. It's Pedri. Onana.
If they want to counter, they could do with more speed.
Sassuolo looking to pass their way through. It's Neymar! It's loose now and they want to get it. Oh, he's been caught on it here. Very nicely done. Well, now here's a good battle, bicep to bicep. Kimmich. 0-0, but nevertheless a very decent game. Saviola. Del Piero.
Well, he certainly wasn't in the mood to take any risks.
The pressing's intense, and it's paid off. Well, they can break here. Mbappe. That's a throw. And that's been intercepted.
That's great positioning, so good from him.
Pedri.
Well, yet another interception and a show of anticipation to be commended.
And that interception was most necessary.
He read that really well and stopped it.
Busquets calmly anticipates. And we've reached half-time. Truth be told, perhaps it's not the game that many anticipated, but there is lots to be seen in it, lots to be taken from it. Plenty for the key figures to mull over, but it remains goalless. What have we learned from the first 45 minutes?
Well, I think despite the scoreline, it's been watchable and enjoyable. We certainly had a vibrant start, and if we were going to see a goal, it should have come then. But the odds are favourable for this second half.
Messi! Oh, the keeper's done ever so well.
I think he's done great there, both reading it and dealing with it.
Croatia have their second corner now. Oh, the ball's come loose here. Gavi with the clearance. Busquets.
It's a decent chance to counter-attack.
Chouameni. Here's Onana. Chouameni. Gavi. Oh, it's a promising build-up, this. Plenty of really nice passing. Lovely ball and a real chance now. Adams robs him of possession. Kimmich. And it's Del Piero. Great defending, strong and determined. And that's been won straight back. So, Jim, is that the manager telling the forwards that they must stay forward for now?
Well, I think he just...
Mbappe! Costa Curta gets it clear. Shifted upfield. And here's Neymar. Gavi. Real chance! It's a goal!
Well, when it's pieced together as efficiently as that, it's a joy to watch.
So we have the first goal.
Well, listen, a few words of advice and encouragement from the manager during the break can often straighten things.
Can he finish? And yes, it's there! And with that goal comes comfort. That really is quite fabulous. All his own doing.
Oh, that's wonderful to see. The run was explosive, the finish exquisite.
So that's two now without reply.
Well, it's been an absolutely fabulous spell for them, and they're starting to look unstoppable. There could be more on the way.
They're back in possession and ready to go again. Quality ball. Gavi is sporting a guilty look after that.
Yeah, the idea was right. The delivery wasn't. They can revisit that further on.
Messi. He's got space in the area. Del Piero! Oh, so close to what would have been a memorable goal.
Del Piero can really show some outlandish skills, which is always welcome and obviously refreshing.
He's found a way through. Well, that defending is unapologetically persistent. And the shot! Kimmich has a look up and drives it forward. Can he get it through? Bojan, nicely weighted ball. And there's green grass ahead of him. Gavi. Neymar. Here's Onana. And he was quick to react.
That will annoy the manager. They're making themselves too predictable here.
And it's Neymar. And he's made sure that's not getting through. Gently done. Now it's Messi. Hernandez kept his eye on it, and he's there. Onana. Pedri. Saliba. Adams makes the interception. Bojan. Can he spark a counter here? And it's Saviola. Sassuolo can consider themselves just about safe now. Pirlo. Saviola. He's had a shot! Defending of the desperate variety. Mbappe. Now it's Mbappe. That is good pressure, just hounded him off it. Pirlo. Plays a sharp little ball here. That's good play. And this is Bojan.
Well, he got rid because he was under pressure.
Costa Curta. And here's Bojan. Ah, that's a fine interception. Danger averted for now. That pass has been well intercepted. And that's that. Sassuolo are walking off satisfied with their day's work. A result no less warranted, no less deserving of their efforts. A job done in a highly professional manner.